Repair test. Hit your flashing button. Only one engineer. Well, I'll do what I can to help out. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up, and push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it! Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Come, Papa. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Ah, there it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. The pilot brakes. Good work. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I gravity coaxial. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the Resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. The cargo's breaking, shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after the train. A gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Watch out. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chewie's right. We cannot let them follow us back to the Resistance. Yes, shoot those ties. All right, keep up the good work. Clear a path. Oh, perfect. Get rid of these guys. We're nearing the end of the belt. You did it. Watch out! Oh, that's going to leave a mark. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the Resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough. Alpha 5, damage report. Engine failure, alright. Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures, well, it could be worse. Life support failure, okay, that's something. Yeah, I'm just going to cut you off there. This department.